my channel. I'm Shanice. If you've never been here before, thank you so much for coming. In this video, I will be upcycling a few denim items. This jacket that I'm wearing is one of them, so if you want to see me upcycle this jacket, please stick around for it. It's a lovely jacket and I love the way it turned out so much. I have a few more pieces that I'm gonna upcycle also, so yes, you don't want to miss those because they're amazing. They turned out amazing. I'm so excited. I hope that this video can inspire you guys to take something from your closet and upcycling, and also give you a few ideas. So with that being said, I challenge you guys to take something from your closet and go ahead and upcycle it and turn it into something new or something different or something just one of a kind that has your personality all over it. Just go ahead, take something, upcycle it, and I bet you'll turn out that you love it too. Also, if you guys want to follow me on my social media, I will have those on the screen, and I will also have them linked down below, so go ahead and follow me on my social media. And before we jump into the video, please make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out when I post new videos. I know my videos have been stretched out pretty far, but I'm trying to work on I'm trying to upload on a schedule, like one video a week, maybe one video every Wednesday. Let's see if I can stick to that schedule. With that being said, let's just go ahead and jump into the video.
A few months back, I picked this jacket up at the thrift shop, and it was just a blank canvas, and I thought that I could do something cool to it. So what I'm gonna do is take my seam ripper and just seam rip the bottom piece off. I think that those will make it look a bit more interesting. The next thing I'm gonna do is fringe out the end, and how I do that is I make little cuts all around the part that I want to fringe out, because I feel like it makes it easier, and after that I just go ahead and take my tweezer and just fringe the whole thing out. You might want to start binging a new series because this process takes a while, trust me. To distress the jacket, first you want to place a piece of cardboard or anything that will prevent you from cutting through to the other side of the fabric underneath it. Then you're going to take a sharp razor blade and cut like parallel lines. They don't all have to be the same length, they just have to be parallel. Cut them straight as much as you want, wherever you want your distress to be. Then take your tweezers and go ahead and start like fringing out start distressing your jacket. These are so simple to make. All I did was make them using Microsoft Word, and made them big enough so they would fit on the back of the jacket and not look too bad. I'm gonna cut them out. I first started using the razor blade, but that didn't work so much, so I ended up cutting them out with his scissors. And before I go ahead and start the painting process, I'm just gonna lay them out to see how they fit. And let me tell you, using these paper to paint on the letters on the jacket, it was a messy process and it was a long process. So next time if I do this tutorial over, I hope to find a better method of painting the word on the jacket, because I don't know if I'm really good at like freehanding. That's why I didn't do it that way. That's why I did it this way. I felt like this way was a better way for me.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And this is what it looks like after I was done. I love how it turned out. All I did after that was take some of the leftover paint and just like make a mess with it all over the jacket, maybe just to correct the mistakes I made of putting my painted hand on the jacket. You know, it turned out good, so you know, I'm fine with it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
The first thing you want to do when you're cutting pants into shorts is grab yourself something that can mark on jeans fabric and mark how short you want your shorts to be, and always absolutely always allow yourself at least an inch of seam allowance. After you do mark how short you want your shorts to be, take them off and cut them. Then after you cut one side off, the trick is to fold it over and cut the next side so they will equally match up.
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
After you have turned pants into shorts, go ahead and adjust them to the length that you want them to be. And as you can see on the side, I use that as a guide to help me cut the right shape in the shorts.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create.
I'm going to use the same process I did on the jacket, which is cut a little piece of line first, then go ahead and fringe the bottom of the shorts out a little, not too much, just a bit.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm going to unhem one of the back pockets because I think that it would look really cool and different. So I'm just going to use the same technique as the jacket. Also, I'm going to add a bit of rips, and I'm just going to use the same technique I use on the jacket to make my rips. So this technique I learned from Dina Rose, and that is using acrylic paint to dye your fabric with. I will link her video down below so you guys can have a better understanding of how to do it. All you do is take acrylic paint, whatever color you want, and mix it in with a little bit of water, not too much, and then take your clothes, dip it in, take it out, and let it dry. I find it better to to dry in the dryer than letting it air dry. So at first I was only gonna dye the pocket of these jeans, then I decided to dip the whole half in, and that's what I did. I just dip it and let it soak up the dye a little, and then let it drain, and then I took it to the laundry and throw it in the dryer and let it dry.
Dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Well, that was all the items that I have for you guys. If you guys love this video and want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up so I know that you guys love this video. Also, if you guys have any questions or comments or just anything in general to say, please leave it in the comment section. And also, again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will help my channel out a lot. So if you just subscribe, I will really appreciate that. So just go ahead and do so. Thank you so much in advance for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.